Guys, I'm back here at Mr. Bill Motor Company. I'm really excited. We've got a new family member with us. Why don't you tell everybody your name out there?
My name is Dundrika Lacey.
Very good. And I know you were here to buy a car, but how'd you hear about us? And
I actually heard about you guys through a good friend that keeps business within the family, and I decided I wanted to become a part of the family.
Very good.
And I came in.
It all worked out really good. Now, what kind of car are you driving now?
I am driving a 2013 Ford Taurus, fully loaded.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Hey.
Hey. She wanted to do it, guys. I couldn't say no.
That's how excited I am.
She is. She's really excited. Now, when you came in, you'd been to a couple other places before you came here.
I did.
Okay, and weren't able to really find what you were looking for there. They couldn't work with you.
They couldn't work with me. It was more money down.
Really? That's unfortunate.
Right.
We didn't have that problem, did we?
No, sir. No. Not at all.
And how long did the whole process take?
An hour or less.
Less than an hour.
Less
Guys,
than an hour.
We're not trying to waste your time.
Right.
We're going to be able to work with whatever situation you're going to present to us. Give us an opportunity to find the car that's going to work for you. A 2013 Taurus. That's a really nice vehicle.
It is. I love it. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
I'm sure. Who was your sales guy? They love hearing the name.
My sales guy was Jaime.
Jaime, how did he do?
He did awesome.
Did he? Very good. Outstanding. He told you about our free oil changes for the life of the loan.
Yes, for the life of the loan. And also, if you bring 10 people in 6 months, you get your title to your vehicle.
That's right. We're going to give a title away. All you got to do is refer 10 people over here in 6 months. Pretty simple. And for each of those people that you refer, you're also going to get $150. We try to get you excited, get people over, get you paid. You can make a car payment that way.
That's good.
Any final words you'd like to say to everybody out there?
I wanted to say to anyone that needs a vehicle, you guys will come give them a try. I'm telling you, you'll be in and out with a flash, and you'll be very happy.
That's exciting. Thank you very much,
You're very
guys.
welcome.
Give us a call, 817-265-9009. And remember, when others won't, Mr. Bill will.